Craig Honeyman, Fraser Killen, the co-directors and founders of Panel Tools Online. And another very common question, Fraser, for you this morning is the difference between a roughing and a finishing cutter.
Right, okay, so the difference is in the geometry of the tool. So, and it really just does exactly what it says. So a finishing cutter will give you a surface finish that is, basically that's a finished cut. It's, whereas your rough and cut is going to be more of a coarse surface that it leaves after the cut. And basically the geometry is different for a rougher versus a finisher. A rough and cutter generally has an elongated cutting edge, which means that it has a larger cutting surface area. And so if you're machining really abrasive materials, that's when you want to be using a roughing tool so it can break through the material. And then you probably will then use it hand in hand with a finisher that then comes through and only removes a very small amount of material and leaves you with a really nice surface finish.
Oh, so the two complement each other.
Absolutely.